Welcome. Let my voice carry with it a deep relaxation with every word you hear, bringing you closer to the perfect sleep. Since this meditation is for relaxing sleep, make sure you lay down in your favorite comfy position, ideally in your soft bed, but if you'd like, you can lay on the couch or anywhere else. Your eyelids are bringing about a sense of relaxation. They are feeling a little heavier as each moment goes by. So allow them to close now and feel a deep sense of relief when you close your eyes for the night. Right now, you feel safe and at ease. If you'd like, you can rest your hands by your sides and notice a heavy sensation in your arms, a gentle, relaxing feeling. Sleepy arms, just like a sleepy mind. Bring your attention to your natural breathing pattern. Notice the deep flow in and the slow flow out. Breathing deeply in, slowly breathing out. Listen to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Allow for each breath to bring you closer and closer to the ultimate space of rest and restoration. The universal sleepy sensations come naturally to you. You know exactly how to fall asleep. It happens automatically. You breathe in relaxation. You breathe out tension. In relaxation and out as you release. You are ready to leave your worries behind. Today is gone. Tomorrow is a new and fresh beginning. It is effortless to leave your past behind as you move forward. As your breath becomes even slower, you can also feel your body becoming pleasantly heavy, tenderly warm. You are slowly settling into the mattress, sinking into a deep, deep sleep. The outside world is slowly fading away. You are leaning into a comforting, warm hug of sleep. Sleep is moments away. Thank you for listening, and good night.